We interrupt your program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, it has been reported that North Korean planes were seen in the Times Square area in New York. North Korean soldiers were seen shooting machine guns, throwing grenades, and slicing people's necks. Emergency update. The North American Aero Defense has detected 5 North Korean missiles and is expected to hit the following cities: Los Angeles, California, Chicago, Illinois, New York City, New York, Houston, Texas, and Detroit, Michigan. All residents within 400 miles of these cities are strongly advised to find a shelter that is being set up. If you can't find a local shelter near your area, go to www.findshelter.com. It will take 14 days for the fallout to clear out. Another emergency update: the United States has sent 7 missiles to North Korea. 4 missiles are heading to Pyongyang, North Korea in 2 hours, and 3 missiles are heading to Hamhung, North Korea, in 2 hours. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The fallout has cleared out. I repeat, the fallout has cleared out. Everybody is allowed to leave their shelter.